Assalamualaikum. Hello friends. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how I made leaf skeletons using different types of leaves. I have already posted a video on how to make leaf skeleton using people leaf, but many viewers are asking me, can I make it in mango leaf? Can I make it in banyan leaf? So to answer those questions, I'm doing this experiment now. I picked 16 types of leaves here for my experiment. Do you know these leaves? If yes, let me know in the comment section, friends. If you are watching my video for the first time and interested in these kinds of videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel Wondercraft House for more updates. I'm going to experiment with two different techniques, so classify the leaves into two groups. Now I'm going to boil these leaves with some detergent and some baking soda. The water is boiling now. Let's add 3 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of detergent. The water is boiling well now. Let's add the leaves. Many YouTubers suggest the boiling process for more than 2 hours, but I'm gonna boil it for only 10 minutes. I'm turning off the stove, letting it cool. It's cooled down. Let's transfer the leaves to plain water, rinsing excess detergents. Look at this leaf. We cannot make leaf skeleton from this because the veins of this leaf are not steady enough to make leaf skeleton. It will rot along with the leaf tissues. I'm gonna let this soak for 2 weeks. Change the water in between. Okay, now this is the other set of leaves. We are going to experiment with this bleach solution. This is the bleach solution I have prepared using chlorine bleach. Now let's add this solution to those leaves. Let's fill this tub. I'm going to keep this aside for 1 week and let's check after that. These are boiled and these are bleached. It's been a week now. I'm going to carefully take out the leaves from the bleach solution first. See? The color has changed a bit here and there. Look at this one. Its margins are already disintegrated. Fragment of the previous leaf. I have replaced the bleach solution with some normal water. I forgot to take this one out. Now let's do the brushing. I'm going to brush the boiled leaves first, then I'll do the other later. Now friends, can you guess which leaf is easier to make leaf skeletons? I will give you a clue. Let me know in the comment section. We can clearly see the veins here. Many of you know that it is a hibiscus leaf. Look at this one. It's swollen with water. Now let's brush the bleached leaves. This is the people leaf we have used earlier to make leaf skeleton. From what I observed, the tissues of the boiled leaves decomposed sooner than the bleached leaves. Why? Because the bleach solution slowed down the rotting process of the leaves. See, only the color is changed. I have checked every leaf and put them all in this tub. I'm going to soak it for 1 more week. But before that, I'm sorting out some leaves in a separate tub. I'm guessing we can make leaf skeletons from these leaves. Let's see. Friends, if you are still watching this video, thanks to you all, and wait for the results please.